Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. So I spent a few hours today working on my December daily, and I sped up the filmage of it so it wouldn't be such a long video. And at the end of filming, I realized that I sped it up too much and it is only 26 seconds long, and you don't get a clear look of the pages that I created. But I do kind of like that you can see the process quickly of how I created them. So I'm just going to go through here in the beginning and show you what my album looks like through day 6, because I think I created days 3 through 6 today. So of course this is a cover, which you've probably seen before if you've watched my other videos. And then here is the inside cover, which I haven't done any journaling yet, and I'm not going to until I'm completely done with the album. And then that's how that's going to look when it's put together. So you can see a little peep of this page. You can see kind of day 2 behind day 1. And this is a pocket, and inside this pocket is a little flip book that I made with some additional photos. So this says, "Let's take a selfie, good times," and here's just a picture of my youngest son and I, and then my middle son working on cutting down the tree. Here's a picture of my husband and my middle son working on cutting down the tree. And then here's a photo of the tree farm. And then I just used washi tape to adhere it together. And this is on one of the full videos, how I made that. So, and then when I stick it in the pocket, see if I can do this one-handed, because I don't have this on a tripod right now. All you see, well, it's meant to, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. It's meant to show the good times, like that, out of the corner. And then on this page, I'll do some journaling over here on this half circle, and here's a picture of the owner of the tree farm helping my son get the tree out of the back of the truck. And then, so, and it just says "Fancy fa la la." And then the next page, we didn't decorate the tree until the next day. And so that was the second day. And this is a page, it just says "Trimming the tree, sparkle," and and I'll do my journaling up here. And then on day 3, this is just a photo of the advent calendars that we had. Our 2 sons had the Lego advent calendar, and then I had the Sephora one this year. And then here's a photo of my boys with their advent calendars. This is my youngest son on the left, he's 14, and then my middle son on the right, and he is 17. And they both love Legos, so. And then day 3, which is the first page that I created today, what my favorite Christmas movie, or the first Christmas movie that we watch every year, is White Christmas, and we watched that on the 3rd. So I don't know why this is crooked, this tape that says "Joy Always," because we will always watch it every year. That was my point in using that. It's kind of, feels like it's like up a little too high. I may have to play with that a little bit. And then I used these glitter ornaments, and then I used a Copic marker to color the wood veneer that says "Fave." on the 4th, I put Simple Things, Magic, 'Tis the Season. And this is just a photo of our stockings. And over the years, we've had many different stockings. And last year I decided to buy the Pottery Barn stockings they're from Pottery Barn Kids. And they're personalized. And I just got Scott and mine to say Mom and Dad, and then Hunter and Ethan. Well, this year I finally completed it, and I purchased one that said Matt. And the reason why I didn't get Matt's last year is because it was toward the end of the season and it wasn't going to get done in time. And Matt was in Arizona, so I just got Dad, Mom, Hunter, and Ethan. And then this year I wanted to complete it even though he's not home or living at home anymore. I still got one that said Matt. And as you can see, the lettering is a little bit smaller, but it's the same font, so I think it looks good. And that's our completed collection. So I wanted to take a picture of all 5 stockings hanging, and you can see our Elf on a Shelf Bob. He's hanging on the fireplace screen as well. And then the 2 dog stockings are up, hanging up as well. So I kind of like how that looks. And then on day 5, I went into the living room, and my youngest son was composing a song, and he was trying to figure out the notes on his own. And on his phone, he has a little piano app that he can kind of compose on, and it was kind of cool. And so he wrote it all out on a piece of paper, and then he was playing the song for me, and it was quite beautiful. And so I took a picture of him playing the song for me. And that's day 5. And then on day 6, my parents came from Missouri to visit for the weekend. And so I put Make Today Great, Family Ties, Joyful Season. And in this pocket, I'm going to stick more photos of their visit. I'll probably do another flip book and stick it in there. I didn't do that today just because I was running out of time, and I need to. Tonight we're having beef carnita rice bowls, kind of like you get at Chipotle. So the beef is in the crock pot, and I need to get the other stuff together because it's getting close to dinner time. So I had to stop, and I need to clean up my mess on the table and put it back in my Rascot cart. So, and this is the last page I completed today. And it's just day 6. Christmas is visitors, and I put the best. And here's a photo of Mom and Dad opening their Christmas gift. And then I'm going to have an adjoining page, which is a close-up of what we bought them. It's going to be kind of a double page spread. So, and I'll probably tie in the colors of this with that. So, and that's it. So I am going to put this all away. As you can see, I have kind of a mess here going. That's how I create, kind of messy, and then I clean it up. Put it all away. So, and then I need to get dinner ready. So, but I thank you all for watching. Attached to this video will be the process of creating this, but it's only 26 seconds long, so I'm gonna try to attach some music or something so you can enjoy watching that as well. So I hope you're having a great New Year's Day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.